Holy guys, good morning. 3 days continue raining. Feeling very lazy inside the house.
Wet road.
Wet road too much. Then now going in the guiding house.
Not only wet road.
Then we'll enjoy today
Rough road.
eating pork in the bamboo shoot. Not in the bamboo shoot, in the bamboo.
In the bamboo.
Cooking in the bamboo.
Under the guiding.
Under the guiding. Both side all greeny. Rice in the paddy field. Then now going beside pond. My uncle pond. One guy is coming. Then now going and showing you in the main point. Road is very slippery. Walking also slip happening here, guys. Very careful. We have to go. Come very carefully. Slippery road. Very rough. Greenery. All surrounding. Car going, that's why this road become very dangerous. Always car going.
The car also going with bubor.
With what?
With bubor.
Oh. Farmer life no. Rainy time also in the field. Nothing can do. This one for what? In your head. For what?
$1.
Oh. Surrounding all these are for this one. Mukhiting cultivation. After 2-3 months, then this one all mulai here. Mulai will happen. This side also sakumura. I mean pumpkin and many more. When grow, I'll inform you. You can come and buy. Then our guiding knock, half guiding, not completely full, not fully complete. Our guiding knock. This side then this one no. I'll show you. This one then my power tiller. Now I'll give a start. Let me see what will be the condition. Please you handle my camera. Let me give kick. Oh, you'll give. Okay. E kor decide. Chabi ay. Very carefully. Down se niche se. Yang ti. Yang ti se. यहाँ टेप फान और भी जोर से लगाओ नहीं हो पाएगा हैं ये काम इन पकड़ो already on camera you little bit touch here so that I can get this strength. Yeah. Anytime. This one is good. Right on. Okay. Very cool. Air coming here. We are taking rest. All beside open place. That's why very cool. Rainy time plus cool weather plus air coming. Then what a beautiful day. Now we are taking rest after some time. Lunch happening here. For today, guys, my duty is finished for today. This portion is left. Then this one tomorrow Sunday not coming. Tomorrow church going. Then day after tomorrow Monday again I'll be back to my work. Now lunch time. What is the time now? See the time 4:09. So now eating time. Okay, see you. Our duty is finished today. Now going home. Only this much to this video. Anything message for my
message is do hard work
and
get
Ơi, ang mandi batan dino sih.
Big money.
I only English, no coverak. Okay,
Get
only
big
this
money,
much
do
today.
hard work.
Eh?
Guys, I am not holy moly. I am from Tripura. Thank you everyone.
Okay.
But
If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and like and share, comment. Only this much for today.